Hello everyone, I'm Likita Dagula. Today I'm going to explain about Bitcoin. These are my team members Karthik Reddy, Likita, Jingma. What is a Bitcoin? Basically, a Bitcoin is a file. So, Bitcoin is a digital currency which is invented in 2008 by some individual groups named as Nakamoto in 2009. So, it's an open source programming. So, Bitcoin is stored in a digital wallet in your smartphones or computer. People can send Bitcoins into your digital wallet. Uh, Bitcoin can be exchanged between any people. So that every transaction can be recorded in a public list called blockchain.
For the abstract, Bitcoin is the best digital currency since its initiation in 2009. There are 18.1 million Bitcoins available for use as of December 2019, which generally means 149 billion USD dollars. With Bitcoin's significant market capitalization and novel highlights like pseudo-secrecy and changelessness, it draws a lot of consideration from the researchers all over the world. Notwithstanding this huge spotlight towards Bitcoin, it stays under-researched on account of the huge size of the Bitcoin data, roughly 250 gigabytes, and the powerlessness to handle this information in a little league. To investigate roles for additional research, this article presents a study of the ongoing headways done with respect to the large information examination of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Besides, we propose an analysis framework dependent on the Epoch Hadoop environment. For the authentication, BitID is a decentralized authentication protocol that leverages Bitcoin wallets as a form of identification and QR code for service or platform access points. It enables users to access an online account by verifying themselves with their wallet address and use a mobile device as a private key authenticator. Type of attacks in various Bitcoin management technologies. This table showed possible types of attack in various Bitcoin management technologies. There are certain types of attack target different type of wallet. For example, bait and switch attack SPP, SPV wallet, bank exchange wallet, but not Bitcoin core. Direct theft attack bank exchange wallet, but not SPV wallet and Bitcoin core. Fabricated transaction attack bank exchange wallet, partially SPV wallet, but not Bitcoin core. The chain hijacking, unintentional transaction suppression, intentional transaction suppression, attacks SPV, bank exchange wallet, but not Bitcoin core. The rewriting chain attacks all three types of wallet.
Bitcoin tools. Here are some Bitcoin tools. So these tools are helpful for transactions, exchange, price converter, cash address converter, SLP dividend calculator, paper wallet, Bitcoin cash faucet. All these are some of the tools which are helpful for the Bitcoin transactions. So exchange tool is used to securely buy and sell and build your Bitcoins. Price converter tool is used to convert the current or historical Bitcoins into your currencies. Cash address converter is helpful for the transactions in which address it is transaction has been made. SLP dividend calculator is useful to build a transaction to send dividend payments to SLP token holders. And paper wallet is used to print your bitcoins onto a paper wallet to give friends or family or to anyone to store it offline. Bitcoin faucet is used to try the Bitcoin Cash for free through our faucet, which sends you a small amount of money. So basically, Bitcoin Tools is a Python library created for teaching and researching purpose. The main objective of Bitcoin Bitcoins are for transactions. So these are well documented and it can be done by Python code. The main aim is to provide a tool table to create custom transaction scripts, either scripts or script publicly. Human readable strings created using script syntax. Finally, tools for accessing and analyzing interesting data. So there are several examples. Bitcoin's tools allows you to Bitcoin creation and management, and also for Bitcoin transactions from the scratch. And it also customizes any field of your transactions. Transactions can be serialized and deserialized, creation of standard and custom scripts, and the transaction analysis from hex encoded transactions. Bitcoin tools contain status a statistical analysis tools for UTXO set under the analysis status. Bitcoin core architecture. Here is the architecture of the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin application is directly connected to the network. So here is the network which is connected to the application through connection manager. The Bitcoin wallet is connected. So the connection manager has various links with wallet and database. So the connection manager acts in between the wallet and the transactions, and all the transactions are stored in the database through the blocks. These are some headers and blocks and coins. So the transaction stores accordingly in the blocks, headers, and coins. So each Bitcoin has some value. For example, one Bitcoin is equal to one $250 like that. So this is the architecture that explains about the Bitcoin. These are some of the best Bitcoin applications. Bitcoin Ticker and Spare are some of the applications. Bitcoin Ticker helps you to keep track of Bitcoin price, and Spare allows Bitcoin holders to turn their Bitcoins quickly and converts into cash without using any ATM. Users can actually request cash and receive a barcode which they take to the store. The cashiers can easily scan the code and exchange the cash. Like Microsoft has been accepting Bitcoin for use in its online Xbox store since 2014. So they temporarily took a pause from accepting the Bitcoins, and now again they are accepting it strictly for the Xbox store credits. Bill Gates has commented on Bitcoins many times saying that things such as Bitcoin is better than currency. This is the demo of the project. So our demo is about Bitcoin calculator, which is a price converter. So this calculator converts Bitcoin cash into Bitcoins. So if we type 1 over here, that is equal to Bitcash. For example, 1 Bitcoin is equal to 250 Bitcoins, or $1 is equal to 250 Bitcoins. In that way we can express. For example, $250 is equal to 1 Bitcoin. So $1,000 is equal to 4 Bitcoins. In that way, you can secure your cash through Bitcoins electronically and pass to your friends and families, and transaction can be done securely and easily anywhere from any time and anywhere. The price calculator converts the real-time or historical price of the Bitcoin to and from the fiat currency of your choice. Convert Bitcoins tools gives the latest rates to convert any amount of BTC. BTC means Bitcoins. So in the world of currency, our conversion rates use exchange rates from bitcoin.com composite index. Easily converts BTH to BTC to USD, BTCH to USD, or select from any other country currencies. And also the Bitcoin calculator tool allows you to convert any amount to any Bitcoin up to 6 decimal places and to your preferred world currencies with conversion rates based upon the link CoinDesk Bitcoin price index dot non USD BPI prices. In order to conclude, so Bitcoin has always been in the limelight. So there are many tools and platforms that predict future prices. So digital currency exchanges have also been analyzed in detail. But the important to note, the wallets of many exchanges are known. So future research can analyze the indirect Bitcoin's volumes flows between cryptocurrency exchanges to estimate the transaction volume between the countries. So in many transactions, the Bitcoins are used. The future currency is Bitcoin. Thank you.